Today we have a Honda Shadow 700. Extra clean, extra crispy. Check her out, fender to fender. That's how you take care of a bike. Old man special. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. We've got a idle Misfire, losing power under load. It only runs with the choke out. See if we can find the issue and pinpoint it today. Good old Shadow 750. It's been a 750 week. Ain't she clean though? One of these things is not like the other. So the customer states that the bike is popping, running lean. That's the front cylinder. That's the rear cylinder. See all that white dryness to it? That is a lean burn. That's why the tip of it is kind of white like that. The front one's not ideal, but you kind of want a nice little brown chocolate chip cookie color. That one, definitely a vacuum leak. And we rolling into problem number one. So as I was checking the spark plugs, you gotta remember these things have four, two for each cylinder. Pulled the front cover off to find that spark plug not connected. Might be an issue. Looks like we have a nice vacuum leak. Get it running. Hear that? See how it's going up? Yep, see it? Then if you rev it while it's got So now that we're here, it looks like these OEM clamps were not clamping at all. They were maxing out and then just sliding around the boot, spinning still, causing a nice little vacuum leak at the top and the bottom, because our boots are still pretty malleable. Not as soft as I would like them, but that is where air is seeping in. So we're gonna get some nice, good worm clamps on there and get back to it. Dun, 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 dun. Look at that. Look at that. See that? That was causing our vacuum leak. That's why when we sprayed right there on the number one cylinder, it went in. Look at that. Look at that. Somebody come look at this. For real though. That's a vacuum leak. The only way to fix that, new boots. So they're pretty. See, they're not soft either. You want these to kind of be kind of soft. You know, they're rubber. See how hard. Yeah. So they're just letting all kind of air through. Yeah, new boots, and we're good. Carbs are in the deep sonic cleaner, and get those blowed out and put back on once the new boots come in.